Hello, good evening all.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening,
Sir.
Okay, good evening everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Right, good evening everyone. Good evening. So we are going to discuss a second term test paper. So this paper is Northwestern Provincial second term test paper of year 2025, right? Okay, I think you all have written the answers for this paper since I shared this paper to the groups. So now let's see your answers. You can take out red pen and please correct your answers. And I will go through the answers. Yeah, the first part quickly, right? Okay, first one, answer all the questions. Choose the most suitable answer and underline. I will read the question. You tell me the answer. Number one, what is the international unit of measuring length?
Meter.
Meter. Very good. The examples for solid state of water are
Glacier, ice,
Glaciers,
yes,
ice,
glacier,
snow.
ice, snow. Right, glaciers, ice, snow. Right, correct. And a power station is shown in the figure is
tidal waves.
tidal waves. Correct. Okay. Not sea waves, right? You may remember this picture, which is in your textbook, right? Under the part of tidal waves, right? By blocking the path like this, Lamai, when tidal waves are coming to the land and when they are going down, it's creating, it's rotating turbines and generating electricity. So this is a tidal power, uh, power station, right? Okay, keep your mics off. Right. A plant which is adapted to grow in the mangrove environments.
Kerala.
Kerala. Have you seen Kerala plants? Okay,
Yes.
good. Have you seen the plants? Where you can see those plants? Yeah? Where you can see those plants? In which environments?
In
Marshlands.
What were they?
In marshlands.
Marshlands, kind of, right? But there's a special term for this. Hmm? How do we call? What type of environment is this? Yes? It's in the mangrove environment, right? So these are mangrove plants. අපි කියන්නේ සිංහලෙන් කඩුලාන කියලා. කඩුලාන පරිසරවල තමයි හැදෙන්නේ. මේ වගේ කිරළ බීම හදනවා. මේ තියෙන කිරළ ගෙඩි, right? So this is a plant which is grown in mangrove environment. So the answer is Kerala. Okay, let me highlight it. The place where fresh water, marine water, and brackish water is available respectively.
Wells, oceans, lagoons.
Wells, oceans, lagoons. Okay, now from this question onward, I would like to give you a chance to read the question and you answer. You please raise the hand, then I will select one of you and will ask you to read the question. You read the question and your answer. Then we'll see whether your answers are correct or not. Right, Hirudini, you can start.
Select the answer which contains only natural sounds. Sound of lightning, sound of sea waves.
Right, that's correct. Sound of lightning and sound of sea waves. Good. Mehin,
The statement and reason made by student. Statement is diamond is used to cut glass.
okay, the reason? Reason is diamond is a material with high hardness.
Statement
Yes, what is your answer, Mihin?
both statements are reason.
Right, both statement and the reason are true. Yes, that's the correct answer. Good. Sanuka, go for the 8th question.
Select the answer and
Reason.
select the answer that contains autographic organisms and
Helotrophic.
Wait a minute, right? How do we pronounce these two words? First one,
Hetero-
how do you call it?
Autotrophic and heterotrophic.
Heterotrophic.
Autotrophic and
Heterotrophic.
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 Okay. Autotrophic and heterotrophic, right? Pronounce them correctly. Okay, what is your answer, Muta?
Mango and woodpecker.
Yes, your answer is correct. Your answer is mango and woodpecker. Okay, Reshma, ninth one.
See the correct statement about magnets. Unlike poles attract.
Unlike poles attract, this is the correct statement. Correct. Govindu, tenth one. Govindu.
The animals that cannot move but show movements are first one, sea anemones, coracoid. Second one, hermit crab, seahorse. Third one, paramecium, amoeba. Fourth one, butterfly, deer.
Okay, what is your answer?
The first one.
First one, right? Okay. The first one is the answer for this question. The animals that cannot move but show movements are sea anemone and coral polyp. Okay. Senuk.
Was kept in a water vessel as shown in the figure. What is the incorrect statement regarding that? The answer is 3. Air bubbles released from the bottle.
Yes, the answer is 3. The third one, air bubbles released from the bottle. Correct. This is the correct answer. Okay. Tinula, 12th one.
3 beakers which with equal mass are named as A, B, and C. Same volume of marine water, brackish water, and well water were put into these three beakers respectively, and their masses were measured by using a triple beam balance. The answer is 2.
The ascending order of the masses. Your answer is 2. Others, what do you think? Is this answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. This is the answer. Okay. Right. That is Sanuka, right? Adish, read the number 13 question.
The attractive power of a bar magnet is more at
Yeah. The
my
attractive power
answer
of a
is
bar magnet is more at
both ends.
both ends. Okay, good. That's the answer. Right. Hirudini again. Hirudini, you start to read the 14th question. Others also can raise the hand after reading the question. You can take another chance.
A,
Hirudini,
a student stated following statements regarding a certain phenomenon.
phenomenon.
The
Yeah.
answer is A, B, and C.
A, B, and C. Okay. The first statement says colorless lime water turns to milky color when bubbling. Exhaled air. Is it true or false?
True.
True. When bubbling further exhaled air, lime water turns to colorless. True or false?
True.
Also true, right? You know, when we bubble carbon dioxide or the exhaled air into lime water, first it turns into milky color, then it turns again to colorless, right? So see, exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. That's also true. So your statement, all three statements are correct. Right, Asel, can you read the 15th one?
Yes, sir.
Read it.
A location of a wind power station in Sri Lanka. The answer is first one, Hambantota.
Yes, Hambantota. Okay, good. Now, right, that is the correct. And one more thing. So I heard when you are saying some word, right? You say no for this time also the answer or the answer. What do you think?
The answer.
The answer. The attractive power or the attractive power?
The attractive power.
Okay. The ascending order or the ascending order?
The ascending order.
Okay. So be careful when you are reading such words starting from a vowel sound, right? So you need to correct pronounce it correctly. Okay. Okay, number 16. Adish, it's your question. Read this.
Following A and B graphs show the growth of organisms. Select the true statement about the above graphs. So there are two answers. There graph A shows the growth of plants and the growth is visible during entire lifespan. For graph B shows the growth of animals and the growth is
Constant.
constant after a period of time.
Okay, yeah, I think you can take both answers as the correct answers, right? Please correct them. Both are
Sir, in question, in the fourth one there,
correct.
like the graph B shows the animals and the growth is constant after a certain period of time.
Yeah.
Isn't the growth constant at the beginning and then not constant after a certain period of
No,
time?
ne. So here at the B, it's about the B graph. The graph B shows the growth of animal. Now this shows the growth, right? Growth means think about the increase in the mass, like that, and kind of thing. No. Then after that, what happened? It's it's no, you can't say exactly the mass, right? The growth is stopped, right? It's not growing like plants. So that is why it says the growth is constant after a certain period of time, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So according to this graph, okay, right. So that's why I chose both the answers. Okay, let's see the next one. And Sanuka, read the next one, Sanuka.
Select the answer that contains only
Monocotyledonous.
monocotyledonous plants.
Monocotyledonous plants, yes.
The answer is 2. Arcant, Kitul and love grass.
Okay, areca nut, kitul, and lavgra. What are monocotyledonous plants? What are monocot plants, Lamai?
Dalavarge Shaka.
Okay, right. Can you give one common example?
Coconut.
Yeah, coconut. Coconut, areca nut. See the difference, right? So if you can see this kind of plants, right? These are the monocotyledonous plant, coconut, bamboo, right? They are well-known examples, and they have, their stems are not branched, right? Unbranched stems, and the leaves they have this kind of venation, parallel venation. You will learn these things, monocot and dicot plants in a future lesson, right? Especially in grade 7, we will learn this. Okay. Okay. So the answer is correct. Hirudini, again, 18th question.
Animal who swallows without chewing is frog.
Yes, an animal swallow without chewing is frog, right? Correct. And Sanuk, no, Adish. Adish, read the next one.
An instrument
Yeah,
that can be used measure the growth height of a plant is oxenometer.
oxenometer. Yes, correct. You may remember this oxenometer, and it's used for measuring the growth of the plant, right? Remember the instrument oxenometer? You remember this? Okay, let me show you a picture of the oxenometer. Okay, good. 1 second, I will show you a picture. See, it's a kind of instrument like this, right? So here, so we connect one end of a plant to this kind of thing, and there's a weight and a scale indicator, right? So this indicator shows the change when the plant is growing, right? So this is the device called oxenometer. So it's used to measure the growth of the plant. Okay, that is Adish. The next one, Sanuka again, number 20.
Not a step that can be followed from conservation energy is switching off necessary bulbs.
Right. Look at this one. Not a step that can be followed for conserving energy. Conserving energy. What is your answer, Lamai?
Number 3.
Number three,
The
no?
C.
seventh one.
Number
Yeah.
3, opening the
Opening.
door of the refrigerator number of times.
Yes, right. It says not a step. It says not a step. Right. Okay. Let's move on to question number. Okay. Now you count how many answers are correct out of 40. Sorry, 20. Then you can multiply your marks by 2, right? Then find your total marks out of 40, right? And you better draw a box here. Draw this kind of box, and here you put your marks. So if you got 40 marks out of 40, you can write 40 out of 40. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, let's start the part 2. Okay, part 2. Okay, next one. I think Sanuka read, no? Senuk, can you read the question number 1 of part 2? Senuk, read this description.
For the instructions or the A part.
Yeah. Now here, instruction is given already. The first one is compulsory. You can obtain 16 marks and you can choose 4 other questions. Altogether, you have to answer 5 questions in the part 2. Right now, you read the question. Start from a group of students.
A group of students have observed the surrounding area in the school laboratory. They observed living organisms, characteristics of organisms, non-living things, and their physical properties, as well as the temperature at different places. Imagine that you are a member of the group and write answers regarding the observations.
Okay, good. Number 1, write a non-living thing that you have found. What are your answers?
Water bottles.
Water bottle.
Rocks.
It
Tables.
says
Rocks.
rocks. Okay, it says the surrounding area in the school laboratory. If water bottles are found in the surrounding area of your laboratory, then I can say it as a correct answer. But think some other thing.
Building,
Buildings, okay.
Sir, how about a chair?
Uh,
Trees,
maybe chairs, trees,
Vase.
okay. Yeah,
Tables.
tables. Okay, you can take marks for this
classroom,
one. Yes, take 1 mark. Write an instrument that should be brought when you are observing the environment.
hand lenses,
Binoculars.
Yeah,
magnifying glass,
binoculars. What else?
Binocular.
hand
magnifying
lens,
glass,
Yeah,
hand
magnifying
lens,
glass.
okay.
It's a magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass, hand lens, right? So they are both the same, right? Now, 1 mark. You put the marks as well, okay, near the question. Now you see if your answer is correct, put a tick, and then you can write 1 mark. You could write 0, 1, and circle it, okay? This is how you need to put the marks. Next one. Write a characteristics only common for living organisms.
Respiration.
growth,
Respiration, growth,
Growth,
can
nutrition,
show
Reproduction.
movements,
Nutrition.
reproduction.
Locomotion.
movement,
Wait, can we take locomotion as a living, common characteristic of living organisms? Are all organisms showing locomotion?
No, because plants don't show locomotion, only animals.
Yes, right. So therefore, I think locomotion is incorrect.
its
Okay.
movements,
Yeah, movement. Yeah. So what are the answers once again?
Respiration.
respiration,
respiration,
reproduction,
reproduction, movements,
growth,
growth,
nutrition,
Growth.
movement,
Yeah, growth, movement, nutrition, reproduction. Okay,
respiration.
respiration. Those are the things. Take 1
respiratory
mark.
movement,
Respiratory movement is not a common characteristic because the plants are not showing respiratory movements. Only it's found only in animals, right? Therefore, you can't write that answer as well. Clear? Is that clear, Lamai? Okay. Next one. Write
Yes,
an
sir.
okay. Write write a difference between plants and animals that you have observed.
Plants can't locomote while animals can.
Plants
Yes,
produce their
Plants have unlimited growth, but animal growth stops in a certain period of time.
correct.
plants produce their own food, but animals do not produce their own food.
Correct. Correct. Okay, so you can write those answers. Write an autotrophic organism that you have observed.
Mango
Mango
tree.
tree,
Mango tree. Okay.
Mango tree,
Okay.
jack tree,
Jack tree.
orange tree,
Orange tree.
coconut tree,
Okay.
rambutan
Right.
tree,
Okay, they are
Bamboo
correct.
tree.
Okay, that's enough. We are
tree.
still in the jungle, right? The plants in the jungle, right? So 1 mark for that. When observing a pond water sample through an equipment in the school laboratory, minute organisms can be observed. What is the common name referred above above mentioned organisms? How do you call them?
Microorganism.
Microorganisms.
Yeah, microorganisms.
Microorganisms.
Okay.
Microorganisms.
How do you type microorganisms? M.
M I C R
O
O
dash
R O
S
O R
O
G
R
A N I S M S.
M.
O R G.
Okay, organisms, correct. Next one. Name such an organism that you have observed.
Amoeba.
Bacteria,
Amoeba, bacteria,
algae,
Amoeba,
Bacteria.
paramecium,
Virus.
Amoeba.
chlamydomonas,
Amoeba, bacteria,
Chlamydomonas,
chlamydomonas,
paramecium,
paramecium. You can write.
paramecium,
Take 1
paramecium,
mark. Take 1 mark if you have.
chlamydomonas,
Correct. Next one. What is the equipment used to observe the above mentioned organism?
microscope,
Microscope.
Microscope.
compound microscope,
Yeah, that's better if you write compound light microscope without writing just microscope.
compound
Okay.
microscope,
Compound light microscope, it's okay. Next one. What is the equipment used to measure the temperature of pond water?
thermometer,
Thermometer.
thermometer,
meter,
Yes, correct. 1 mark. Write an instruction given by the teacher during the field visit.
Be careful.
Be
don't
careful.
touch
do not
unknown things
touch
without
anything
Don't
instructions.
touch unknown things.
without
Okay.
permission.
Don't get.
Okay. Don't go.
Don't.
Okay. Yupika, what did you say? Okay. Don't go without permission. Take
yeah,
1 mark. Now, okay, let's see the B part. You are given a dichotomous key. The animals are frog, lizard, butterfly, snail. Having an outer shell. What is here?
do not have a outer shell,
Doesn't.
Okay.
Do not
Doesn't
turn out a
have
shell.
Without
outer shell.
an outer shell.
Without outer shell.
Or without outer shell.
Doesn't
Okay.
have outer shell.
Doesn't
do
have an
not
outer shell.
It's
do not
easy if
have
you
an
write
outer
without
shell.
an outer shell.
Okay. Not having an outer shell. Anything you can write, right? Okay. Next one.
Snail,
Snail,
Yeah. The animals with an outer shell is
Snail.
snail.
snail,
Correct. So now this side, frog, lizard, butterfly, they are divided into with wings, without wings. Who is the with wing one?
butterfly,
Butterfly.
fly,
Reply.
Okay. Then without wings, lizard and frog lay eggs in
frog,
water
Frog. Frog.
frog,
and do not lay eggs in water.
Lizard.
lizard,
Lizard. Okay. Right. That's how you can say. So there are 5 blanks. You can take 5 marks for this.
teacher, there
Uh,
are, yes, sir.
hmm?
So there are 6 questions. Write an animal among them
Yeah. I'm
that
telling.
suck.
Write an animal among them that suck juices. Who's that?
butterfly,
Butterfly,
Butterfly. You can write butterfly.
butterfly.
Right. Now, for this one, you can take 1 mark. So altogether 16 marks, right? Now you count how many marks are there in total. for the first question, right? So it must be 16. And as we did before, after counting your marks, you draw a box here and then you put your marks out of 16, right? So this is the question number 1, right? So for the question number 1, you can put your marks. So I will write like this, 16 out of 16, okay?
Sir,
Something like this. Yeah.
I got 16 out of 30.
Wait. Now you have to say your marks first. What's your mark? Yes.
16 out of 30.
Wait. You got 13 marks, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can say, sir, I got 13 out of 16, right? 13 out of 16 කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. 10න් 13 කියන ඉස්සලාම ඔයාගේ මාක් එක කියන්න ඕනේ. හොඳේ? හරි නේද? 16 out of 13 කියලා කියන්න බෑ. එතකොට වැරදි අදහස. හරි. අපි යන් ඊළඟ එකට. Number 2. So this is a practice paper, right? So as I have instructed you, when you are doing practice papers, you can answer all the questions without choosing only 5, right? Then you can remove the marks of 2 questions since you are doing practice papers. දැන් මේවා ඔයාලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වෙන්න කරන නිසා මම ඔයාලට කිව්වා හැම ප්‍රශ්නෙටම උත්තර ලියන්න. විභාගෙට නම් ඒ අදාළ ප්‍රශ්න ගන්න තෝරගත්තට කමක් නැහැ. මොකද ටයිම් එකත් එක්ක අපිට හොඳම ප්‍රශ්න ටික තෝරගෙන ලියන්න වෙනවා. හැබැයි වෙලාව තිබුණොත් ඔයාලට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් my recommendation is to write the number of what do you call the questions as it is instructed in the paper. paper එකේ තියෙන ගාන තමයි අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට දැන් මේවා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරද්දී අපි හැම එකම ලියන්න ඕනේ. හොඳේ. ඒ නිසා මේ ස්කිප් කරන්න නැතුව ලියනවා වඩා හොඳයි. practice paper. මම හිතන්නේ මේ අපි practice කරපු third paper එකද? නෑ. ඊට වැඩිය කරාද? How many papers have we practiced up to now?
4.
4 papers.
No, 4.
Yeah,
Okay. 4 papers. I think I uploaded 2
Okay.
papers as I remember to the YouTube. Did you see that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
So did you watch that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So did you comment something there? No?
Yes, sir.
Not yet. No.
Yes or no? Okay, let me show you something. So those who have not what do you call watched the previous recordings, please watch them. And yeah, so recently I started to upload some videos to the YouTube, and you can see grade 6, 9 and grade 6 there are 2 lessons, right? 2 paper discussions, and the 7 and the 11 one here, and these are some other things, right? I have uploaded previously. So hope this video also will be in the YouTube, right? Okay. Number 2, there are different properties in different solid materials. Name a material from the list for given physical properties, right? It's an easy question. Malleability. What's the material shows malleability? You can write in front of
Iron nail.
an iron nail. Okay.
Iron nail.
Iron nail is malleable. And ductility,
A copper wire.
copper wire. Hardness,
A piece of granite.
Piece of
granite.
granite.
Brittleness,
A piece of charcoal. Piece of charcoal.
elasticity,
A piece of
Piece of
elastic.
elasticity.
last piece of elastic. And soft texture, some talc. What do you mean by talc?
Powder.
Powder.
Powder. Right, good. Okay, so you can count how many marks are there, how many corrects are there, correct marks, then you can take 6 marks. Now part B, an activity done by the teacher to demonstrate characteristics of liquid water is given below. All right, you can see there's a balance meter ruler and 2 filter papers, right? So they are not balloons. So you may remember the balloon activity that we did, but these are not balloons, they are just filter papers. So what's the activity? Some water is sprayed only to filter paper A. Okay. So Lamai, the question is, write an observation in the setup after spraying water.
The
What
meter
happened?
ruler loses its
balance.
balance.
A
Yeah.
filter paper will go down.
Yes. The meat ruler loses its balance, it's correct. And the filter paper on the side A goes down, right? It goes down, right? Take 1 mark. What's the property of water that is demonstrated in this activity?
Water has a
Water
mass.
has a mass.
Water,
Water has a mass.
water has a mass. Okay, correct. Water
Not
has
only water, all liquids, I think.
you can take that one too, but here they are practicing, testing for water. But as you said, you can generalize it as liquid has a mass. Okay, take 1 mark. So now you are given some properties you have to match. Has a definite shape and a definite volume.
Bricks.
Brick. Okay. No definite shape and no definite volume.
Smoke of
Son
joss.
of a
Smoke
jockstick.
from a
Right.
joystick.
And has only a definite volume.
Water.
Water, right? Okay. So now that is the end of this part. This is the question number 2. Again, you can write Q2 equal and how many marks you got out of 11 here. Right. Let's move on to the question number 3. An activity done to demonstrate the behavior of rain drops when they fall down is given below. Name A and B. What is demonstrated by A and B, Lamai?
A is rainfall and B is surface water. Surface water.
Yeah, rainfall is okay, but we learn another term for the rainfall, no?
Precipitation.
What is it?
Precipitation.
Precipitation, right? Precipitation, that is how we learn. So I think you better write precipitation. If you don't remember this one, please refer the text, right? We learn it under the water based on availability part of the lesson number 3. Next one, write a use of having a grass cover. So there's a grass cover. What is the use of it?
Minimizing mudslides and erosions. Minimizing soil
What
erosion.
erosion?
Soil
Soil
erosion.
erosion.
Yes,
Soil
it
erosion.
minimizes
Minimizing
soil
soil
erosion, right?
erosion.
It minimizes soil erosion or minimizing soil erosion. That's correct. What is the name of water which flows through stones, gravel, and sand?
Groundwater.
Groundwater.
Groundwater. I think you are putting marks, right? Take marks. The marks are given here. It's 1 mark. The previous one 1 and the first one 2 marks. What can be categorized based on the salinity? Sorry, water can be categorized based on the salinity. Which type of water exists in nature that the highest amount of salt is dissolved?
Marine water.
Marine.
Flooding
Yes.
water.
Yes, you can write marine water, right? And is also.
So there should be an E.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I think I missed this one. E, right? It's not working. Wait a minute. Yes, okay. Now, marine water, you can write it like this. A useful product can be obtained by evaporating above mentioned water. What is that product?
Salt.
Salt.
Yes, salt. You can write it. Can you tell me the chemical name of salt that we consume?
Sodium chloride.
Very good, right?
Chloride.
Sodium
Sodium
chloride.
chloride. That is sodium chloride. It's a common name. Okay, what is the chemical name of lime water? It's an additional question. Don't know? It's called calcium hydroxide. Write somewhere else and remember. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, write one use of water for human activities. Drinking, okay.
Bathing. Food.
Okay.
Boil water.
To
Yeah.
wash
Boil
clothes.
water.
To wash clothes.
Washing clothes, right? Okay, there are several uses. You
God.
can write down. Correct. Take 1
So
mark.
we can write to boil water.
To boil water.
Yes.
Why we boil water? You can write the use of it. Class in the use of it. For what we use water? For cooking food, or you can write several answers. Write a way of it. Yes.
What is the scientific name for Lime water again.
Chemical name,
Yeah,
right?
that's
That's
what
called
I
the
was
chemical
going to
name.
ask.
That is the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay. Write a way of importance of water for the survival of plants.
Photosynthesis.
For the
What today?
rigidity of plants.
For
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis.
For the photosynthesis, it's needed. For the rigidity of plant, it's needed. Rigidity can bridge killing in a plant, especially for the herbs, right? It's required. So it's a raw material of photosynthesis, right? And as a living organism, it requires for the survival, right? Right. Next one, Sanuka. I think when you're turning on the mic, we are hearing a kind of sound. So you keep your mic off when you're answering. Turn it on, okay? Right. Number 3. Write a place in the school where the wastage of water takes place. Write a place.
Broken pipes.
Okay.
Taps.
Taps. Open taps.
Rivers near factories. Factories.
In this
Broken
school,
tubes.
you have to think about the school, right?
Oh, broken water pipes.
Okay. Broken water pipes. They are
People
correct. Take
throwing
one.
water. Teacher.
Open tap.
Leaking taps.
Yeah, correct. Next one. Write a method of water pollution. What's the method? Give me an
Addition
example.
of agrochemicals and chemicals.
Addition of factory waste and chemicals.
Okay, good. Factory waste, chemicals,
Dumping
Agrochemicals.
garbage.
dumping garbage,
Throwing chemicals.
Dumping
Biochemicals.
polythene and other waste
Throwing
material.
chemicals.
yeah,
Putting agricultural waste.
to the rivers or something like that. You need to connect word, right? To the rivers or to the ocean, right? Like that. Okay, next one. Write an illness caused by water pollution or polluted water.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea and what else?
Cholera. Kidney problem.
Okay, kidney problems.
Kidney problems.
King
Hmm.
of heaps.
Cholera.
Kidney failures.
Kidney
Any
failures. Okay.
failures.
Cholera.
Cholera. That's correct. Right. You can take your marks out of 11. Right. Now we are moving to the question number 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the brackets. Ability to do work is called
Energy.
energy. Energy, right? The answer is energy.
Energy.
The main source of energy is
Sun.
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 Blank fuel is going to be over nearby future.
Fossil.
Fossil fuel.
Okay. Blank energy source will be the highly consumable energy source for the world.
Renewable.
What is it?
Renewable.
Nearby future?
Renewable.
Renewable energy. Firewood, hay, soda, star, some examples for
Biomass.
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 biomass. Not biogas, right? Biomass. And firewood, hay. So, okay, we answered. In ancient time, people used wind power for
Pumping water.
Pumping
Pumping
Water.
water.
what?
Pumping
Pumping
water.
water.
Pumping water.
Pumping water, correct. An adverse phenomenon which causes due to a large amount of energy stored in seawater is
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
tsunami. Correct.
Tsunami.
Hot water springs are located in some areas in Sri Lanka because there is higher blank in these areas. What?
Geothermal.
Geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy. Right.
Geothermal energy.
Correct. And blank is a form of fossil fuel used in a thermal power stations in Sri Lanka.
Coal.
Coal.
Correct. Coal.
Coal.
Yes. And next one, the energy generated during the nuclear reaction among atoms under the control condition is
Nuclear energy. I mean nuclear power.
what is it?
Nuclear power.
Yes.
Nuclear power.
Nuclear energy.
Nuclear energy, right? Okay.
So the word
Next.
energy isn't given.
Okay. Right. We can conserve energy by
Reducing.
reducing the consumption of energy.
Reducing.
Yes, that is reducing the consumption of energy. Right. Now count how many marks are there out of 11, and please, yeah, put your marks. So as I instructed, you keep your mics off. When you are talking, please unmute, okay? One second, please. And what you have to do at the end, after finishing this paper class, you count your total marks and please send me your marks. I will share a kind of link with you, right? So you can put your marks to that link and please send me the marks. Okay. Next, number 5.
Full marks?
Yeah, total mark for the paper. A figure of a toy cart made by a student for an exhibition is given below. And you can see the toy cart. There's a magnet, iron stick. What are the type of magnet used here? Here
Bar
has
magnet.
A and B.
Stated.
Bar magnet.
Bar magnet.
Bar magnet.
Who is that? Right. What are the poles of these two magnets placed to move the cart forward?
Like poles.
Like poles? Yes. What are the poles? Must be the like poles, right? Yeah. When the like poles are together, what will happen? Will it attract or repel?
No, it would repel.
Repel. Yes. Okay. Good.
To
Take one
repel
mark.
each other.
Yes. Name the given magnets. What's the first one?
U-shaped magnet.
Shape magnet.
Magnet, horseshoe, shape
Horseshoe
magnet,
magnet and a tubular magnet.
Tabular magnet. Good. Okay. Take 3 marks. Right.
Horseshoe magnet and a tubular magnet.
Write the use of a magnet. Use of magnets.
To make
you
a
can
compass.
Yes, to make a compass. Correct.
Compass.
What are the other things?
to make a compass.
Yeah. Is that all?
You can make toys.
Yeah, toys and motors, dynamos, and
Refrigerator door.
Yeah,
Refrigerator doors.
so many uses are there. You can write. Fill in the given flow chart by using your knowledge of magnets. What are the substances which are attracted towards magnet?
Knife blade,
Do
iron
not
nail.
attract toward the magnet.
Iron nail.
Iron
Yeah.
nail.
Yeah, you can write iron nail, knife blade to this side, and number 1 should be do not attract towards the magnet.
Do not attract
Yes.
toward magnet.
And what are the substances which are not attracted?
Plastic glass nail.
Plastic ruler,
Brass nail.
brass nail.
Okay, plastic ruler, brass nail, they are not attracted, so you can take marks for this. Okay, number 6. Sixth question. Okay, count your total first.
Okay, sir.
Right. We can hear sound of firecrackers, sound of cuckoo bird, as well as sound of rabana during New Year season. Write natural sounds and artificial sounds separately from the above description. What are the natural sounds?
Sound of cuckoo bird.
Sound of
Sound
cuckoo
of
bird,
cuckoo
right?
bird.
Okay, artificial sounds?
The
Firecrackers.
sound of rubber.
Sound of
Sound of
Raban.
rabana, correct.
Sound of
Take-
Raban.
Take 3 marks. Write a strategy to make a sharp sound in rabana.
Tap it hard.
Tapping hard. Yes.
Tap
You
it
can,
hard.
yes, you can tap the rabana hard. Okay. Musical instrument made using metal pipes is given below. And how can we produce a sound in this
By
instrument?
tapping the metal pipe.
By
Yes,
tapping the metal
tapping the
Yes.
metal.
holes.
By tapping
Okay.
By vibrating tubes.
How do you vibrate? You have to tap it, no? You can tap on this.
You have to vibrate the tubes by
Yeah,
tapping them.
these metal pipes are tapped, then they are producing sound. Which metal pipe gives the sharpest sound?
The longest
Smallest one?
one.
The smallest one, right? The
Yes.
shortest one, the smallest
The
one,
smallest one
it
makes
gives
the
the,
sharpest sound.
yes, sharpest sound.
Yes.
Take one mark. There are two forms of sound as musical tones and noises. How does a noise make?
Non-rhythmic
A noise is made when things get vibrated, but they are not rhythmic.
Rhythmic, yes,
non-rhythmic sound.
non-rhythmic sound
Non-rhythmic
means.
Actually,
sounds.
not
Take one mark.
rhythmic.
Rhythmic.
Write an example for such noise.
People
Children
shouting.
shouting.
People
People shouting.
shouting,
Okay.
Vehicle factories.
Okay. Then. Okay. Traffic sound, vehicle factories, right?
machinery sounds.
Machinery sound.
Vehicles.
Yeah, correct. Take one mark. When the sound of music is increased, it too can be a disturbance. Our ears may damage due to these loud noises. Right precaution should be taken to protect ear from loud noises.
Where
Wear
earbuds.
ear protectors.
Yes,
Put
Headsets.
ear
not
protectors.
earbuds,
Ear,
no,
earbuds.
ear
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 protectors.
protectors.
guards.
Earbuds are
Ear
Okay,
not protected.
protectors.
yeah, ear protectors mainly. Earbuds, there are some buds which can
Ear
protect.
guards.
Yeah, you better write that one. Okay. Take one more. Musical instruments can be classified into many groups according to the way of producing sound. Write two musical instruments for each for producing sound by vibrating air column and vibrating membrane. What are the instruments of producing sound by vibrating air columns?
Flute recorder.
Flute,
Flute
okay,
Flute
recorder,
Flute
recorder.
correct.
recorder.
Recorder.
Trumpet, organ,
recorder.
Trumpet.
yes, correct. And what are the instruments of producing sound by vibrating membranes?
Rabana. Timpan.
Rabana.
Rabana,
Timpans.
okay.
Timpans.
Thumb atom,
Timpans.
okay, right. You can write. Take marks, 2 marks.
Tabla.
Tabla, yes. Last question. Okay, now you count your marks for this.
Drum.
Okay, count the marks that you have obtained for this question. Let's move on to the last question. This is the seventh one, right? So then we'll wind up the lesson. Ready? Okay, we need to see an activity done to observe the pathway of light is given below. How are the holes of cardboard arranged to see the candle flame? How do we
In a
arrange?
straight line.
Yeah, in a straight line.
In a
How
straight
did you
line.
arrange them in a straight line? Remember that?
By using a line. By
By
using
using
a
what?
thread.
Thread,
By
right?
Thread.
using a thread.
Inserting
Using a
thread to the
thread.
box.
By
Cardboard
using
box.
thread.
Okay, so how they are arranged? They are arranged in a straight line. That is correct. Take 1 mark. Cardboard B was moved apart. What would happen then?
The
Light
flame
will
of
be
the
blocked.
Light
candle.
ray
Light will
will
The
be
light
Light.
will be blocked.
The light will be blocked, or you can't see the
Flame of the candle.
You
flame of
can
the
see the
candle through the
flame of the
holes.
candle.
Okay, then take 1 mark. Write the conclusion that can be arrived.
Light
Light,
travels in a
Light
straight line.
travels in a straight
travels
line.
in a
Light
straight
travels
line.
in a straight line. Take 1 mark. Objects can be classified based on transmission of light through them. Separate given material based on the property of transparent, translucent, opaque. Then you can take 3 marks for that question. So what are the materials given? Decorated glass, mud water, plain glass, black paper, soapy water, optic fibers. So you need to complete this one. So what are the transparent things here?
Plain glass, optic
Plain
fiber.
glass.
Plain glass,
Optic
Optic
fiber.
optic
Stick
fibers, right?
fiber.
Translucent things,
Decorated glass, soapy water.
Decorative
Decorative
glass.
glass.
Soapy water.
soapy
Soapy water.
water, and trans opaque things,
Mud water,
Mud
black
water,
water,
black
black paper.
paper.
black paper. Okay, right. You can put the marks like.
So can't we see light through muddy water?
It depends, right? Sometimes we can see the way of passing it, but most probably, yeah, it can be the translucent or transparent, right? Not transparent, opaque. Wait a minute. Yeah, we can consider it as opaque, as an opaque one, right? Okay, we'll consider that like that. So it puts a true or false. Light is necessary for photosynthesis in is photosynthesis in plants. What's the answer? Is true or false?
True.
True. Light is needed. Moon is a luminous object.
False.
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 False, right? It's false. And laser rays are used in some surgeries.
Yes.
True.
Yeah,
True.
it can be, no.
True.
Electric bulbs are natural sources of light.
False.
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 Right? They are artificial things. And light is used for the transmission of a message.
False.
Messages.
False.
Right?
Correct.
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 True. True.
It's true. It can be used.
How?
Okay, now, yeah.
Optic fiber.
Optic fibers.
Optic
Optic fibers,
fibers.
they are transmitting the messages. Right, so that is the end of the paper. Now you know how to make the total mark. You can add the MCQ paper, the first question of the second part, and take four other marks of 4 questions and find the total. And don't forget to send me your marks, right? Okay, then that's the end of today's class. We will see you again. 1 second, please. 1 second. I will share this link with you so you can watch the previous recordings there, right? Any question that you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right?
No,
And
sir.
next Monday, some of you have the test, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we have, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
Yes,
have.
sir.
Yes, we have.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you study well and then do your test. Hope you all can get a good mark for your O levels, right? Not O levels, sorry, for the term test, right? Okay, see you next day. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
good night,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Goodbye.
good night, sir.
Good night,
Good
sir.
night.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.